Christy, we are about to take on a big project today. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's a great DIY project, and we're going to be using some barnwood. It's actually hardwood. It's called wall planks, and it's got a peel and stick back. So we're at the home with some friends of ours, Teresa and Hank, and they're about to embark on doing this wall back behind us. Yeah, there's a few things that need to be done, Mark. The first thing you need to make sure you do, you're working with a clean and dry wall. The other thing you want to make sure of, it's kind of like a tongue and groove, but it's not actually tongue and groove. But you want to make sure as we're putting these pieces of barnwood together that they actually fit together.
So we're basically gonna put all these boards horizontally across and cut them up and kind of stagger them a little bit.
Right. You want a random pattern to make it look like a barnwood look. And sometimes you can either start eye level. In this case, we're gonna start in the upper left-hand corner and work our way across. You know, what we're watching Hank do, we wanna make sure he has already drawn the line off up here and he has marked it with some nails, so it's giving his board a little something to rest against as he pushes it down and presses it toward the wall.
That's it.
We have the first one down.
No takesies, backsies.
We do wanna make sure we kind of mix the patterns up and make sure it's random. Right.
And remember, it's barnwood, so if there's a little bit of a gap.
Yeah, that's the beauty of this.
Okay. Yeah. Well, it is now.
Yeah.
It's up there now.
I think it's just as important that your bottom, is level because your next piece is going to go in.
Right. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I think it's good if we always do the top, then do this corner first.
And get that side.
Make sure we're good and tight.
Correct. Get the side lined up as we go
any
down.
tips that y'all as you learn as you go, let's share that.
We will talk them out. And it is true, once it's stuck,
it's not going anywhere.
it's not going down. So we did what we said we wouldn't do.
What's that?
You took the sticky off before you.
The sticky up
Before you fit it. Yeah.
Well,
we even had that conversation, right?
this is a reality show.
We didn't listen to our own advice.
Make our mistakes as we go. This is definitely a two-person job.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I think you start trying to throw so many random pattern in that it just almost throws the whole wall off.
Well, actually, if it's lined up so perfect, it doesn't look like, I almost kind of like that there's a gap. What do they call those, accidental blessings?
So Christy, this wall went up pretty fast, didn't it?
It did.
And there's nothing else we really need to do. It's ready to hang a picture on and whatever you want to do.
Yes. And there's so many great things. This is just one example of some of the things you can do with this hardwood peel and stick for the walls. I think our next episode is the upcoming home show, and we're going to show you different ways that you can cut it and do different patterns and different.
And there's different colors too, right?
Different colors, and you can mix and match them. So there's some really unique designs you can do with all this.
So this is just standard, but boy, there's other things that you can do with it.
Yes. But what a great accent wall.
It is. It looks
What
great.
a great addition to this room. I just love it. It turned out great.
I love it. It's smooth. I love the feel of it.
Yes.
Great.